Taking good care of yourself is all a part of having great style overall. So before looking good in a suit, it's always important for your personal hygiene to be at tip-top shape. When it comes to grooming and taking care of your beard, a beard scrub is very important. And today we're going to be talking about why. What's good, bros? It's your boy Trey, Bryant, and I am back to bring you another grooming video. Now, we're going to be talking about why it is important for you to be using a beard scrub on your facial hair. When I first started growing my beard, it's crazy. I didn't even know how important the skin up under my beard was to keep healthy. And it's not necessarily just about like taking care of the beard, but it's taking care of the skin to help the beard actually grow in a healthy way. But before we get into any of these tips, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and become a part of the YouTube family. We love looking good and feeling good here on this channel. Now, the first reason why you should be using a beard scrub is because a beard scrub is an exfoliant. Now, if you don't know what an exfoliant is, it's a product that eliminates the dead skin cells from the outermost surfaces of your skin. Now, if you get an ingrown hair or razor bumps, the beard scrub is going to help those get rid of the issues to prevent that from happening often as they do. When you get ingrown hair bumps or those particular bumps that hurt on your skin that are painful when you try to pop them, this is why a beard scrub comes in handy, and that it's just so important because it's going to loosen up those bumps and those ingrown hairs, and that way once you're able to pop it, you get rid of it and it won't come back in the same place. I know that happens often sometimes. It's happened to me in the past, fellas. This one is a super important point. I mean, it's very important, especially if you're trying to grow your beard. I know a lot of you guys are looking to grow your beards much thicker and longer than they may be right now. This is where the beard scrub comes in again to be able to help you with that. Now, after some time, there's gonna be a buildup of dead skin and germs on your skin after like a long work day or from like maybe going to the gym. And you may not be able to wash your face as often and accurately as you want to. This can cause blockage with hair follicles that are trying to poke through and grow. You don't want to stunt your growth, fellas. You want to be able to get that hair to grow through to have a luscious, thicker beard. The beard scrub is going to clean your skin to prevent that blockage from happening. This is why using a beard scrub is so important to be putting in your beard routine. Now, you should be using the beard scrub probably about one time a week. Using that maybe on Sundays or rest day, before the work week starts. That way you can give yourself enough time for it to sit in your skin and sit in your beard for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Any of you guys are interested to see how to use the beard scrub and you're a little bit confused on that, hit this video right here that shows my beard routine. Overall, growing your beard isn't just about the facial hair, gentlemen. And what's most important about it is skincare. Taking care of your skin, fellas, is something that is very important and something that ladies have already been doing and they kind of already have the leg up on. But now that we're more knowledgeable about this, we have the ability to be able to look our best, guys. We can make sure our beards are long, luscious, and looking good, and our skins are clear as well. If you guys have any questions about the beard scrub and you want to know maybe where to get a good beard scrub at, I use Evan Alexander's beard scrub. I'll have a link in my description so you can check it out. Yo guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you want to see more of my beard and grooming videos, hit my playlist right here. It's your boy Trey.